Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we will focus on how to sort data inside Power BI Query Editor. We will also cover what is sorting data, why sorting data is important, when and how to sort data. For this demonstration, we will use the Maven Market Customers CSV file. As you can see on the screen, we have the Maven Market Customers CSV file loaded into the Power BI Query Editor. Let me first explain what sorting data means in Power BI Query Editor. Sorting data refers to arranging your data in a specific order based on one or more columns. This can be in ascending order, that is smallest to largest, A to Z, or descending order, that is largest to smallest or Z to A. Sorting helps in organizing your data, making it easier to analyze and interpret. Now, you might wonder, why is sorting data important? Well, sorted data is easier to read and understand. For example, sorting customer names alphabetically allows you to quickly locate a specific customer. Sorting is also crucial for analyzing trends and patterns. For example, sorting yearly income data from highest to lowest helps you identify the top income customers. Well sorted data improves the quality of your reports and dashboards, making them more professional and insightful. And of course, sorting ensures that data is organized consistently, which is essential for accurate data processing and visualization. Let's talk about when to sort data. You should consider sorting data before analysis to help identify patterns and outliers. For example, sorting by birth date allows you to easily observe age patterns among your customers. Sorting is also useful during data cleaning, helping you to spot errors or inconsistencies like missing or duplicate values. When creating reports, sorted data ensures that the information is presented logically, making it easier for your audience to follow. Finally, sorted data can improve the performance of certain operations and visualizations in Power BI. Now that we know what sorting data is, why it's important, and when to do it, let's see how to sort data in Power BI Query Editor. In the Power BI Query Editor, ensure that you are on the Home tab. This is where you will find the sorting options. This option is used to sort in ascending order. This option is used to sort in descending order. Let's now go through the process practically. I'll show you how to sort data using some of the columns from our Maven Market Customers dataset. Let's see how to sort a single column. Let's sort by the yearly income column to see who our highest and lowest earning customers are. Click on the header of the column you want to sort. In this case, I'll click on yearly income. Click on the Sort Ascending button, A to Z icon to arrange the income from the smallest to largest. Click on Sort Descending button, Z to A icon to arrange the income from the largest to smallest. As you can see, the data is now sorted in descending order, showing the customers with the highest yearly income at the top. Let's explore sorting different types of data. We will start with sorting integer columns. We will sort the customer ID column, which is an integer data type. Simply click on the customer ID column header and select either sort ascending or sort descending to organize the customers by their IDs. Let's click on sort ascending. And the data is sorted in ascending order. Now, let's see how to sort text columns. We will sort the member card column, which is a text data type. Click on the member card column header and choose sort ascending or descending to arrange the data alphabetically. Let's click on sort descending order. The data is sorted in the descending order alphabetically. Now let's see how to sort date columns. Let's sort the birth date column. Click on the birth date column header and you can sort the dates in either ascending or descending order. This helps us observe customer age patterns. Let's click on ascending order. And here is the data that is arranged in ascending order. If you need to revert any sorting, you can click on the cross symbol in the Applied Steps pane. Sorting the data this way helps us organize our dataset and makes it easier to analyze customer behaviors and purchasing trends effectively. Hence, by knowing what, why, when, and how to sort your data, you can ensure that your datasets are well structured and ready for insightful analysis. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.